Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Ethereum from Trust Wallet to Binance in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you transfer your Ethereum securely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner looking to move funds or an experienced trader optimizing your portfolio, this process is simpler than you think. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone and a verified Binance account set up. You'll also need some Ethereum in your Trust Wallet to transfer. Remember, in 2025, crypto transactions might have updated fees and security features, so always double-check the latest guidelines on both platforms. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the Ethereum wallet. This is usually found by tapping on the Ethereum tab or searching for it in your assets list. Once you're there, tap on the Send button to start the process. Step 2. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to send. Be mindful of any network fees. In 2025, these might be lower due to advancements in blockchain tech, but they can still add up. Next, you'll need to get the recipient's address. Switch over to your Binance app or website, go to the Deposit section, and select Ethereum. Copy the deposit address provided. It'll be a long string of characters. Step 3. Back in Trust Wallet, paste that Binance deposit address into the recipient field. Double-check everything to avoid any mistakes. Sending to the wrong address could mean losing your funds forever. Once you're confident, hit Send and confirm the transaction with your wallet's security features, like Face ID or a PIN. After that, sit tight. Transactions on the Ethereum network can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, check your Binance account to confirm the deposit. A quick tip: always use the official apps and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. And if you're new to this, start with a small amount to practice. There you have it. You've successfully transferred Ethereum from Trust Wallet to Binance. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.